Hi everyone. So today I have some happy mail to share with you, and then I have an auto ship from Diamond Press through HSN. I believe it's Diamond Press. Let me open it really quick so we can find out right now at the top what it is I'm looking at. And then, oh, it has a little pull area here. And then we'll check out the happy mail and we'll check this out. Does this say happy meal? I wish. It's a happy mail. Yeah, it's a bag love Valentine Spring. So I think this is the Grand Marquee auto ship. So that's really cool. Okay, so we'll get to that. And yeah, just a little touching bases with you guys. You know, for the holidays, we are going to be leaving. But my son, my oldest son, he has a new job. I mean, he's been there almost a year now. But they didn't get Friday off, and he wants to save time because he wants to go to like Canada or something. I don't know. So next month. And so if we left to my mom's house, he'd be by himself. So we're just going to stay here till Christmas, you know, Christmas Day actually, and then go out to my mom's and then go to Monterey because we like to take the RV to Monterey between Christmas and New Year if we can, if we don't get there another time during the year. And so we're going to do that again. And then I'll be back. But I do have some videos ready to go. Not that many, I'm not going to lie. So it's going to be kind of quiet here on my channel. It's been a little bit quiet the last few weeks, but hopefully you're watching the videos I'm putting out there. You know, I appreciate it. And, you know, I hope you're all having a nice holiday season. And I wish you a Happy New Year. I will be back before the New Year, though, I'm sure to say that. What else? Oh, yeah, I got to start making cookies, all those things, right? So it's getting down to the wire here. So I just wanted to quickly do the Happy Meal so I can do the Happy Meal in a timely manner. I know sometimes I don't, like this one here is from Thanksgiving, but let's try and look at some of these other ones that came more recently. So, okay, so this is from Kathy Fox, and I mean, just beautiful. I love this, the way it's all layered up. Look at the beautiful colors, and she has a very Anna Griffin, of course, Happy Thanksgiving. That looks Diamond Pressy to me, but let me open this up real quick. Actually, yeah, I left her little gift in here from when I opened it, so thank you so much, Kathy. Oh, that's so nice. Look, and she has the nice stamp on the inside of her card. So there you go. So thank you. I super appreciate it. Okay. Very, very pretty. Let me put this one to this side, and then we'll open up this next one. I brought out my letter opener on purpose. This one is from Mandy Gertz. Hi, Mandy. How have you been? It's been a while. Mandy always joined the swaps when we were doing them and comments and things like that. Oh, how sweet is this? I love the matte layers, the little stitching, and the little like gingham. How cute is that? You light up my world. How cute. I love the foiling on that. Beautiful. And then the little lights are colored in like so perfectly. The little sequins. Very, very sweet. So just simply says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. Thank you, Mandy. To you too. Thank you so much. Beautiful. I love that. I mean, look at that. And then the blues, it's very, you know, it's not traditional, right? But it looks like, yeah, this is so pretty. I love that. And this one is from, Crystal Cochran. Thank you so much, Crystal. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at this one. With some foiling in the teal colors. That is very, very pretty. Thank you so much, Crystal, for thinking of me, and she says thinking of you, and hoping your Christmas is peaceful and filled with the true gifts of the season. You know, I think we are doing more of that. The kids are getting older. I think they, you know, before it was like all these toys and things like that, and they have plenty of things. So I think, you know, for me, like, let's go to Monterey, you know, and then a couple small items that, you know, they're asking for, but it's really just more hanging out, making cookies, you know, doing all that great stuff. Okay, so this is from Kathy Fox, and look at this gorgeous knockout card here. I love that band that comes down in the middle here with the Merry Christmas. That is really pretty. And then she decked out the sticker itself with like some Nouveau Drops type stuff. That is really, really pretty. I love that. I love the tactile feel of that and everything. Oh, look at, and she added a little pocket in here with a cute little like gift. Thank you so much, Kathy. Oh, so sweet. And then she included her little gift here, so I super appreciate it. Thank you so much. She says that's for my glue and things, and I do burn through glue and things, so thank you so much. I super appreciate it. I hope you're all doing well, and thank you so much for the beautiful cards. Okay. This auto ship I'm really, really excited for. Oh my gosh, you guys. Cannot wait to get these in. So let me open this up and see what we have. So again, Grand Marquee is the larger set, and then people are gonna ask how you can get this. Unless they have Overstock, you cannot get it because you would have gotten into the auto ship when they put out the Grand Marquee. I wish they would have had just auto ship by itself. That would have been nice, right? But they hardly ever do that on HSN. If they have a machine, it's like, no, it goes with the machine, and that's how you get into the auto ship, if you need a machine or not, right? So it does have the big pocket or packaging for that. I will say Diamond Press, I think, is selling these on their site. It's been kind of quiet with them right now, so I'm not 100% sure. So hopefully with the new year coming in, things will start picking up again with what I do with them and everything. But they do have these, I believe, on their site. But this is from HSN. And again, if they have Overstock, you'll see it. But if they don't, then they don't. And I have not seen any Grand Marquee Overstock, I don't think. At least not yet. You never know. I know there was that Alpha auto ship they did that sold out really quickly, and then Diamond Press was having them on their site, but like way later. So hopefully something will happen there so you can grab this, because look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, it's like the little, like, I would say like a beach basket, but like a knitting basket. Like, I mean, I can use this for so many reasons other than this Valentine and like Easter look, but this is the die, this piece right here. You see that? And then it has the base. So you're going to bring that up to the sides, right? And different inserts. Okay, because I don't know why in my mind I thought this was like part of the mechanism, but I'm like, wait, hold on. So you're going to cut this one out twice. You put the insert of the hearts if you want. You can put the insert of the little netting. So very classic if you want. I literally have a basket just like this, like sitting over there that has some knitting in it. So that's so cute. And funny enough, sometimes it's hard to find them for like crafts, but a lot of times at summertime, they'll come out with like kid toys in them or like beach toys. I'm like, yes. So that's when I buy them, because a lot of times it's hard to just find them by themselves. So anyway, and then of course the beach toys, Miranda can play with or whatever. So that's how I even have the two, I think, that I have. The little basket, obviously we'll see these things, but I just want to show you these guys. Little grass, flowers, not flowers, what am I talking about? I mean, these are flowers, but this I think is a bow. Yeah, okay, so let's look at the instruction here. So yeah, you have your bunny, you have the bow that's you're going to build up, the little Easter eggs, you have your little label, it has Happy Easter, you know, sweetest Easter wishes for my bestie, love you gal, things like this. If you want to pause, you can see that. The little heart for your conversation hearts. Cool little like kind of fun hearts that you kind of just play with there. The basket, it does have a die. Sorry, a stamp. Obviously it has the die. We looked at that. I showed that one. What they're showing is that maybe you want to stamp these things and then put the basket on top. That's cute. So you can stamp on your card or your topper and then put the basket on top of that. I suppose you can also use that die to mask. So if you want it to be flat and have the flowers or, you know, the hearts behind this, you can mask with the die cut. Sending you love, things like this. It has stencils, of course, so you have your clouds and then the hearts. And this is more of the info for this guy, for the actual basket. So there we go. You do your inserts. You have them both. Oh, and then you can use the more stencils. Looks like woven basket, rattan basket. So that's some more styles you can do without cutting through it if you don't want to do that. Obviously, you're going to layer those together and bring up the sides. And oh my gosh, you guys, how cute is this? I cannot even, I don't even remember this looking like this. All I know is obviously I was going to get the Grand Marquee because I wanted the auto ship. But I do not remember this style, and this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have that. Again, all the dies that we just talked about, these tulips. Did we see the tulips in the images? I don't remember seeing that, but okay. So then you have the two stencils, then you have the larger ones that we talked about, the clouds and the hearts. I'll open these up more when we actually work with them. And then the stamps. And this is not any kind of little, you know, shrinking violet. Like, this is a good size focal image. So I definitely, you know, would do that with the masking. I think it would be really cute. And then obviously just having the basket as a die cut. And then all those things. I mean, look how big that is. All right, guys, so I'm super excited to have that. That is it for today. I do have a tutorial. It's on making, and I'm laughing because it was a little rough, guys. It was on making one of these guys a money wallet in my Cricut, and as you can see, I designed it a little too short in the video, but I did redesign it so that when I link you guys the free cut file, it's like this. So I just ran it through just to make sure everything's good, and it is, so it's perfectly good. Everything's the same. I just had to make this top flap longer, and so I redesigned it, and then it still has the matte layer and like the snowflake. If you want, you can take that off or whatever. So I just want to show you that it does work, and I don't know what I was thinking in my head. I should have just thought about the flap should be at least as deep as this, you know what I'm saying? I at least kind of bring it down so that it would meet. And I even thought about that. I just didn't get it, you know, that last half inch. Even in the video as I was working on it, I mentioned it, and then I still missed it. But anyway, so I did fix it for you guys. So the free cut file will actually cut the money wallet for you. And I didn't have the original. I had made a money wallet here, just, you know, by hand instead of using a machine, and my husband had to use it for a gift. So I, you know, gave it to him, and I didn't have it to show you guys, but I was just like, this is what it's like, you know? So I came up with the numbers again off the top of my head, and didn't quite work out, but it did at the end. So you guys will have the right link. So I do have that video. I know it's getting close to, you know, Christmas, and you probably need that. So I'll probably release it maybe later today, maybe tomorrow, because to be honest, I don't really have a video for tomorrow. So sorry, but you know what I'll do? I'll link the cut file. So if you want to start using it now, I'll link the cut file there. It's just going to cut the wallet for you. It's going to cut these matte layers, and actually a back matte layer if you want. And then it has the little gusset that you're just going to score and glue in. Okay? So I'll add it now. So if you're watching this video, you have a little bonus. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Yeah, I super appreciate your time. You know, this whole year has been really wonderful. Looking forward to the new year. Lots of new opportunities and everything else. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.